The beauty industry is exciting because it's extremely high growth. It can take you anywhere from a small rural community to a big city and anywhere in between. H&Co Academy is an aesthetics training facility. We have one intake of students annually. We train them to be provincially licensed estheticians.
H&Co Academy Aesthetics is a beauty school. I get to learn how to do manicures, pedicures, facials, waxing, and IPL machines. What interested me the most was that this program was an advanced program that was around a year long. We get to learn hands-on services. We also learn about the marketing, the customer service, and just how to be a great beauty professional.
The environment that we like to create at H&Co Academy is a very open, honest, safe, and nurturing environment. The change that I see in the students is often incredible. Everybody is coming from a different life that they're bringing together here. They become more comfortable talking to their clients, to each other. They become more open and more driven and more creative.
The first time I came to H&Co Academy was in the winter of 2018. I really enjoyed the company of the student that was doing my nails that day. There was really no difference in that service compared to being at a full-blown spa.
Hi, I'm Ange, and I own Soul here in downtown Brandon, Manitoba. Since 2019, we've hired 6 graduates from H&Co Academy. The girls that have been hired here just are a little bit above par. They have amazing skills, they have a great attitude, and they really drive to be successful.
I would recommend H&Co Academy to anyone wanting to get into the beauty industry. Attending H&Co Academy gave me that step forward to the career I always wanted, and now I'm just kind of living the dream.